Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can check water damage indicator on the iPhone 12. So the easiest way to tell if your phone has been in contact with liquid or water is by checking from the SIM tray. So we remove the SIM tray with the SIM ejector tool, pull it out. Now underneath here, on top here, you need to have a flashlight shine into it. So here I'll get a flashlight, and then we're going to see there is a white sticker. There's a white marking just right here. I'm going to point it right in so you can see it's right here. I'll zoom right in. You can't see it at the moment because it's dark, there's no light, but it's right here. If you look right here, you'll be able to see it right there. Okay, so I'll shine the light and then you have a look. You should be able to see like where there's a white stickers. You can see right there. You see that white part right there? So move right in so you can see that white sticker is there. Now if that turns red, then that means it's been in contact with water. Okay, so again, you can see that right in the middle, that's white sticker right there. So you want to make sure it's white. If it's pinkish or if it's reddish, that means your iPhone 12 has been in contact with water. So fortunately with this device, it still has a white sticker. It hasn't been in contact with liquid before. Okay, so what you want to do is with your flashlight, you want to move the light up and down like that. Then you'll be able to find it. So remember, move it up and down until you can see the white spot right there. Okay, so if I zoom in again and show you the light. Okay, so here I'm showing you with the pin, so you can see it right there. So that is exactly where you need to check, right here. There is the white stickers, you can see. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.